Chronicles Hobby went so well for us the first time, and that's not even sarcasm, which is rare, that we're going to do it again. We are going to do it again. We have 2 of these. We're going to try to crack them in the same video, and we're going to try to crack them right now. You guys know the layout here. 6 packs. 4 of them have hits. 2 of them do not. Hopefully they will all have some numbered goodness inside. We've got something thick in here already. Alright. That's... Yep. Well, there's a lot going on in this pack anyway, so give us a second here. Carlos Correa Chronicles. Bryce Harper, looks like a hollow silver base parallel out of Prestige to 199. Miguel Andujar Classics rookie. An Aaron Judge Prism that feels thicker than normal, but whatever. Greg Allen Status. Jordan Hicks Illusions. I know we do not have that one yet. A blue Phoenix rookie parallel, number to 149 of Austin Hayes. Goes over here. And a Spectra autograph, number 96 of 99. Anyone remember the old Marlins catcher Charles Johnson? I guess it's better than some scrub rookie autograph, but that's... I don't know if I've ever seen a Charles Johnson autograph in a product before, but we did it, guys. We did it. We did it. Charles Johnson. We freaking did it, you guys. We freaking did it. Oh, upside down Torres. Don't you do that to me. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. It's not quite the name we want, but it's not terrible, that's for sure. Ozzy Albies Chronicles rookie. Chris Sale Chronicles. Joey Votto Prestige. Oh, I hate how these things just spin on the chrome cards. Okay. Gleyber Torres Optic Contenders. Shohei Ohtani Select Pitching. Ahmed Rosario Status rookie. Did not even see that card at the bottom. Wow. Status rookie for Ahmed Rosario. Studio Parallel. Blue foil, numbered out of 99. Manny Machado. And a Contenders Cracked Ice autograph, numbered out of 24. For the Atlanta Braves. Max Fried. We just got his triple jersey earlier in the one of the blasters, but I never pulled a Cracked Ice for. Obviously I don't break a lot of Contenders, but we'll take that. Pack 3. All right. Yadier Molina Score. A silver parallel, base parallel out of Chronicles out of 99, Joey Votto. Chris Bryant Limited. A Contenders Optic Wave Prism out of 299. I'm sure there's a name for these. I don't know it. Miguel Andujar. Victor Robles Phoenix. Gleyber Torres Studio Rookie. I don't know if we have one of those yet. Onto the pile it goes. A Jimmy Sherfy Status Rookie. I know we don't have that. And a Blue Bubbles Parallel out of Spectra, numbered to 99, of Brian Dozier. We have 2 hits left, right? Something thick here. It's another Spectra card, another Spectra insert. Yadier Molina Chronicles. Ozzy Albies Score. Austin Hayes Limited. A Prism rookie of Ronald Acuna Jr. Joey Lucchesi, another one of these, Illusions rookie, and a studio rookie of Clint Frazier. Our Spectre base card, Spectre Prism base card, not numbered, Joey Votto. Yeah. And a Aqua Phoenix parallel numbered out of 299 of Carlos Correa. 2 packs left, I believe 2 hits left, if I'm not mistaken. Another thickie in here. It's just a jersey card, a Cornerstones jersey card. Christian Villanueva, rookie at Adonis. We do not have that yet. Aaron Judge Prestige, J.P. Crawford Crusade, Select Juan Soto, a Bryce Harper Illusions, and a Paul Goldschmidt Status. Dominic Smith, Chronicles parallel numbered out of 299. And our memorabilia hit is a player worn jersey card numbered out of 99 out of Cornerstones, Reserve Materials, Rhys Hoskins. Should be our last auto in here. That's disappointing. Andrew McCutcheon Chronicles, Cody Bellinger Score, Cody Bellinger Rookies and Stars, Brandon Woodruff Illusions, I believe that's our first one of those, either our first or second, and a Nicky Delmonico Studio Rookie, a base Phoenix Rookie of Ron Acuna, a pink Crusade rookie numbered out of 25, Clint Frazier. And our autograph is out of Select, Anthony Santander. I suppose the Max Fried was the box hit there, and that's nicer card, but not one of the more name guys. So it's okay. It's okay. We're at 7:30, so we gotta pick it up a little bit here. 7 minutes 30 seconds. You can only go 15 minutes. Crazy of me to actually try to enjoy these. I know. Weird. There's also a lot of sorting and putting stuff in the right direction and all that as well. Rafael Devers Score rookie. Ronald Acuna Chronicles rookie. Rafael Devers Rookies and Stars. Dominic Smith Crusade. Ozzy Albies Studio rookie. Ahmed Rosario Illusions rookie. I want to speed up, but I can't because there's a ton of stuff to show you. A Prism, base Prism not numbered, Phoenix insert of Bryce Harper, and a Spectre rookie Prism not numbered of Brian Anderson. We have our memorabilia hit. Adrian Beltre Chronicles. Victor Robles Prism. Caleb Smith Optic. Rhys Hoskins Status. Clint Frazier Illusions. Classics rookie Ron Acuna. Score Hollow Parallel numbered out of 99, Austin Hayes, and also numbered out of 99. Again, Reserve Materials out of Cornerstones, Rafael Devers. So we have our 3 autos remaining with 4 packs to go. You all know who I'm hoping for. Cornerstones card to throw you off. That's fun. All right, one of our autos has popped. Victor Robles Chronicles, a J.D. Martinez Cornerstones, I guess that's a base card, either base card or gold parallel, I don't know the difference, numbered out of 99. Ron Acuna Jr., Prestige rookie, breathe on this stack and it falls, good times. Optic Contenders Prism, Austin Hayes. J.P. Crawford, Phoenix rookie. Walker Buehler, Studio rookie. And a Gleyber Torres, Status rookie. Our first autograph is a Panini base autograph of Zach Granite. It's almost like I've been taking good hits for Granite. Got him. Got him. Got him. Nice card of an okay player. Another very low number parallel as well. Giancarlo Stanton score. Limited Aaron Judge. Med Rosario Crusade. Alex Verdugo Illusions. Med Rosario Studio. Aqua Select Parallel, numbered out of 299. Manny Machado. Classics Purple Foil Parallel, numbered out of 10. We had a Rhys Hoskins just like it earlier. This one of Anthony Rizzo. And our hit, an on-card quad, 2 patches, 2 jerseys, on-card auto, number 8 of 25, Victor Caratini of the Chicago Cubs. So we have 1 auto left. Almost assuredly, it will not be of one of the bigger name guys, but not after that. Not after that. Our auto will be, nope, there it is. It is not, yeah, that's too bad right there. That's too bad. Walker Buehler, red foil rookie parallel, numbered out of 25 on the Studio. Justin Bauer Chronicles, Bryce Harper Chronicles, Austin Hayes Classics rookie. Clint Frazier Prism rookie. Dominic Smith Select rookie. Anthony Rizzo Status. And another base Panini autograph of DJ Peters. So we were not able to replicate the success in our first 2 hobby boxes, that is for sure. We do have a thick card in our final pack, though. Appears to be a Blue Bubbles Spectra parallel. We did get a nice Ohtani. Building the Brian Anderson Spectra Rainbow, apparently. This is not the nice Ohtani I was referring to, but we will certainly take it. A score rookie of Shohei Ohtani. Rookies and stars, Giancarlo Stanton. Phoenix, Carlos Correa, don't you dare fall again. Willie Calhoun, Illusions rookie. Ozzy Albies, Status rookie. A Chris Sale, Chronicles base parallel, number 299. A Brian Anderson Blue Bubbles rookie Spectra parallel out of 99. And a nice way to finish, I suppose, a blue Cracked Ice Prism rookie numbered out of 149 of Shohei Ohtani. So, it was okay. Still good stuff. Still had fun with it. Just you know, a little greedy, and you want the bigger names, but certainly a lot of them popped in some of the inserts and stuff like that. So can't complain. Certainly would crack Chronicles again. Certainly would. So if anybody wants to send some of those my way, take them.